What's up, guys? It's another fine evening here in Siem Reap. I'm feeling a little under the weather the last couple days. Not feeling too well, so I haven't been getting out and doing much. However, we did manage to start renovations on our small little $50 apartment. With some help from a friend. You're going to be seeing that in the upcoming video. I'll give you the short tour showing you the before and after. And it's obviously going to be short because it's not that big. There's not much to see. But it's still, I think it turned out really, really nice. And you'll get to see all that later in the video. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to get out in the last couple days. But feeling much better now. Back and ready for action. And of course, the first thing I do when I go out is I forgot the backpack that has my gimbal in it. So I do apologize for the shakiness of this video. But we've come too far to go back now. I am going to go to the Angkor supermarkets. When I walked by the other day, somebody left me a comment and said they would like to see the inside of it. They like to see the more Western style market tours. So we will be getting back there and getting that done. We'll also be checking out some internet cafes for another subscriber. So I still got my to-do list. Of things you guys want me to record, and I'll get them done. Just hang in there if it doesn't show up right away. Got Noya Cafe. That's a branch. They are all over town, different locations. I think either tomorrow or the next day well, sometime anyway before the end of the month, but it should be in the next couple days. I'll be hearing back about teaching again at Wabo. I was excited when they told me I could, and he said he would be calling me to set up the time we're going to start next month, so I'm still waiting for that. And speaking of that, they are going to start opening up the schools here in Cambodia starting next month. I mentioned earlier in another video that they're going to start reopening in 3 phases, starting with the lowest risk schools first, and then the medium risk schools, and last will be the high risk schools. They will be monitored. Students and staff will have to be tested regularly for the virus. And while most of it will still be done online, they're going to have the children in the classroom, but only so many per class. And of course, the class has to be big enough so they can keep their distance from each other. But I left a link to an article down below, and you can get the full list of schools that are going to reopen next month. These are the low risk schools. Generally, they are the ones Well, to be quite honest, they're the most expensive. She's way down there. They're the most expensive ones, the ones that can afford all the testing and the sanitizer and the masks and all that good stuff. Huh? Beep one?
Yeah.
Oh, she says that's too much for whatever she was looking for. But anyway, you can read the article and they explain in detail how they're figuring out which schools to open, all the precautions and things that are going to be taking place. And I'm sure this first batch of schools they're going to see if that actually doesn't spread the virus, that everybody is safe. And that will determine, of course, when they're going to roll out the second and third phases. Pretty soon get everybody back in class, have the schools reopen as soon as they can do it safely. So that's pretty good news, I think. The article that states they are waiving the $3,000 entry fee, that is true, but they're only doing it for business travelers. You have to be coming here for a specific business in Cambodia, not just regular tourists, not just regular expats. And there are, of course, qualifications. I know people have asked me, hey, I saw the headline that they're canceling that $3,000, and that's only true for the, like I said, people coming over here who are traveling here for business. And the company you're coming here for may have to provide that $3,000 instead of you. That's what the article was about. I don't want anybody to misconstrue that. The headline was kind of misleading because it did say Cambodian government agrees to end the suspension of the entry fee, but that isn't for everybody. And there's been some people who took that to mean for everyone, and that's not true. Don't believe it. Not true. So I did want to get that out of the way. But the school reopening is in fact a thing, and it's going to start happening next month. So I know some of you are thinking about coming over here before the end of the year. And if they can get at least a second phase of the schools open by then, I think that would be a good time. Because I think once they're fully reopened, you want to be in a position where you can apply to as many schools as possible that are going to need teachers, if that's your intention, is to come here and teach. And I always want to say this, that there is no guarantees of a job now, in the future, or even before the virus. But doing certain things will help you, will help your search go more smoothly and further your chances of getting a job. So, just wanted you to be aware of that. Alright, as I said, we're going to show you the renovations we did in our little $50 apartment. I hope you enjoy it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Alright everyone, per a request, people wanted to see our cheap $50 apartment. And this is a good thing because I'm going to be working with channel for Riel, Jeremy. he's going to come over and we are going to start to renovate, if you will, and take care of some aesthetic things here. This is the window where I like to sit. As you can see, it's a really great view out there. This is our kitchen area. Single-I's got all the kitchen things all set up nice on a little table. And this is what we're going to work on today. We're going to get these walls painted, because the only things wrong with this apartment are really the looks, you know. As you can see, there's writing on the walls and they're all dirty. No aircon, but we do have a nice fan. That thing blows out a lot of cool air. And of course, with that window open, get a nice cross breeze. And we got the little stand there. All our clothes. We need a wardrobe and stuff. A few more furniture items and we'll be all set. And then the bathroom is in there. Nothing really to see. There's a toilet. There is no shower. We do it to use the old bucket and scoop, but that works extremely well as far as I'm concerned. And it saves on the water bill. So yeah, that's it. Like I said, these apartments are great if, like us, you don't spend a lot of time inside, so you don't feel cooped up. But it's basically a place to put your stuff, go to sleep at night, or in my case, sit here and fiddle around on the internet. So that's it. Like I said, it wasn't going to take long. It's not much to see, but stay tuned, because we're going to show you our progress as soon as Jeremy gets here. Later. And there's Jeremy from the channel for Riel. Of course, the link is down below. He's got the implements. There we go. We got rollers, paint and a brush, and a regular brush.
You choose this?
Yeah.
Paint with this one, same way? This paint with here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
And we're going to get started on the walls. So I'll check in with the progress as we go.
Easily.
And there we go, guys. Before, dingy, dirty,
Sure, don't say
then after.
Don't show Single-I's painting.
Bang. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. She's abstract.
She's abstract. Single-I.
Hello.
There's her contribution. Look, she's making a mess. More than me, believe it or not. More than us, yeah.
We're amazing painters.
Here we go. As you can see, that dingy, dirty wall over there is looking good. We still have, as you can see down there, we need another coat down there. Cover up that writing. You can't see it very well, but it's there. So it's coming along.
Oh. So fun.
So far, looking way better than what it did. Oh, and why am I out of focus? I don't know. But anyway.
You don't need to.
Yeah.
She said she'll clean it up. And that's on. Put that on tape.
Yeah.
Hello, you clean it all up? You clean?
You gonna clean it all up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of it? All right, I got you on tape. Yeah, too late.
Oh, I want to go and clean up there now.
All right, look at that, guys. The wall is looking all right, looking good.
Fixed up the.
We actually got a curtain rod of sorts made out of plastic or PVC.
The blue piping.
No more writing. There used to be something written right here. We got rid of it.
Mainland's in the bathroom duty.
Second Life's trying to do the bathroom, but I don't know. That's a chore. That's going to be a chore. So that's our progress so far. And here we have the final product. As you can see, the walls are nice and painted and clean now. And everything is looking much better than what it did. We have everything put back the way we want it, and when I say we, I mean her. Saying lie. And that was it. That was part one. We'll be doing more in the future. If you're interested in seeing, let me know. And don't forget to check out all my links down below. If you want to donate through PayPal, buymeacoffee.com/DDC, or join my Patreon. All those links are down there. The channel for Riel is down below, along with other vloggers in Cambodia you might want to check out. All my social media is down below. So check all of that out. And I appreciate all my supporters, and I want to say thank you. It means a lot to me. And don't forget, my birthday is coming up in just a couple days, July 30th. So if you want to send me something, you know, yeah, I wouldn't be opposed. That's all I'm saying. And I'll talk to you guys, focus in the next one.